and it stops. I don't know if you can be able to hear it anyway. We got thunder. I haven't heard thunder since last summer, and it's just starting to rain. We got a good old fake storm brewing. Interesting. Anyway, they've been cooking this one up all day. Probably won't rain much, which is good because I've got some washing to do. Flowers. Let's go for a wander. Let's wander. I always film this part. It's my favourite. Look, maples are out properly now. Beautiful. Got purple flowers on these ones. Can't remember what these trees are called, but I only like them when they're flowering. Other than that, when it all falls off, which will be soon, it leaves a mess, a big mess. But anyway, can't complain. Everything's alive and colourful. It looks like that's all the thunder we're going to get. Anyway, hope you're all safe. Glad YouTube's working again, because that's like most of us, that's my main source of communication. Okay, love you guys. Bye. Can you hear it? It starts up as soon as I hit the stop button. It's travelling from there over to there, and it sounds metallic-y and fake. Other noise is the garbage truck. Anyway, bye. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is catch the thunder, catch evidence of the thunder being manufactured. It sounds manufactured, but I can't seem to catch it on camera because the rain is too noisy. That I didn't predict very well. It didn't look like rain cloud. The cloud's too high up, and it's not. They're not thick clouds. Yeah, and it looks oily on the ground as well. Oily. Let me just. I can't flick it over. Hang on. Let me just. I hope you can see that. And no, I am still yet to do a scientific test. Yeah, it's travelling in the same section of sky every time it thunders. From north east, it travels across, it rumbles and travels across to the northwest and finishes in the same, starts and finishes in the same spot of sky. Every time. There's no shapes anymore. It's just a white-grey sky. No defined shapes. So I can't even use the shapes to figure out what part of the structure they're using, or anything to get a bigger picture of it. So anyway, that's where I'm at. Okay, bye. See, no shapes. All like that, and I'm not going out in it. getting bad now.